Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 8th episode to create an e-commerce website using WooCommerce. In the previous episode, we displayed product categories using shortcode. Today, we'll show the sale product in a carousel using Slick.js. In terms of design, sale product and recent product are similar to each other, so open your home template and then you can copy this recent product code. Let's change the title to on sale, and you can also change the description to hundreds of items on sale. Now we just need to update this shortcode, so go to the WooCommerce shortcode page, click on products and then copy this sale product shortcode. Now refresh the site and then you should see the sale products over here. Here you go. You can see the carousel is working too. It's because we have implemented the same code as in recent products. So far we have created recent product categories and sale products. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session we'll work on brands using custom post type UI. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.